Let's start with your standard onion finial and truck. It comes as two pieces. You have your onion. Now the onion itself is one whole piece. It is hollow inside. There is no stem. Instead, at the factory, it is glued together. You can see on top, there is no screw. But there is a screw on the bottom. Now that screws into this, the standard truck. This truck is 2.5 inches. It only comes in one size. The onion screws directly into the top, and then we have our full assembly. Now, this particular setup is used when we get orders for a standard onion and finial, so it's used for replacement parts, and it is in the external and internal finial kits. This is not compatible with ball tops, with the Solar Light modified kits. It is not compatible with 2-inch trucks or 3-inch trucks. So that's why we have the RIX system. Here is the RIX system. It contains multiple parts. You have your 3 different sleeve sizes, 2-inch, 2.5-inch, 3-inch. It then comes with a finial half. These are the 2 halves, the bottom and the top. It comes with a screw and the stem. Now this stem is compatible with all parts. It is the only stem used to do all this. There is no other stem length, meaning that this stem will work with the 2-inch sleeve, 2.5-inch sleeve, and 3-inch sleeve. This stem is also the same exact stem used in the ball top. Exactly the same. Now to make the stem and the sleeve a truck, you just snap them together. From there, the finials pieces here, they slide right on. See that? They go right on. And then you screw on the top. And that's it. Now you have your complete assembly. Again, it can use whatever truck size or whatever sleeve size in order to make this complete assembly. Now, to modify this for a Solar Light, it uses the same exact parts, except instead you use a different screw. The short one for the ball top, and the long one for this particular finial. What happens is it'll create a space in between the onion and the truck to allow for that Solar Light. Now the ball top is compatible with all of this. So if someone needed a ball top with a 2-inch sleeve, they get that, or a 3-inch sleeve, they get that. This will fit these parts. The same thing for Solar Light. If someone wants a ball top for their Solar Light, all you have to do is remove this screw, replace it with that screw, and get rid of this neck cover here. This neck cover is not compatible with the Solar Light. But what happens is that Solar Light will sit about here. The ball top will be lower because of the screw and allow it to sit directly on top of the Solar Light. So that is the RIX system. Again, all of these parts here are compatible with each other and are needed in order to make the sets. The standard onion, finial, and truck are completely different than these, even though for the most part they look similar when they're put together. But you can see the difference. The onion is the same, but the truck assembly is different. But this again is used for all internal and external kits. It is the standard. So that's the difference between them.